Hi everyone! Welcome to Blazen's Basement Bar! I'm your host, Blazen the Dragon, and this is Bartending with Blazen. It's smoking today! Hi everyone! So, welcome to another episode of Blazen's Basement Bar, down in the great basement bar. It's a vibe down here today. Usually it is, but you know, we gotta keep that going. That's what we're all here for. So today, we're here because you know us. We're near good old Kentucky. And Kentucky's really known for making some really good bourbons and whiskeys. So we actually went to a local distiller, and we're gonna make a drink based off of it. We got a good old bottle of New RIFF single barrel. This is actually one of their first 5-year single barrels. I actually talked to one of the people there, and they're like, yeah, we're super excited. This is our first 5-year barrel, and you know, I'm really happy that I started liking bourbons again. So here we are with a good bourbon whiskey drink. Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite drinks, and I love getting them anywhere I go. An old fashioned. So old fashions can be made many different ways, but they all have relatively the same basic strategy with it. Today, we're going to be doing a little rendition of mine where I like to add a little peach flavoring to it because it's peach good. What you're going to need for an old fashioned. So, you're going to need bitters. I got the peach bitters because peach bitters, so good. So good. You're going to need simple syrup. So with simple syrup, you can do 2 different ways. So you can either have a liquefied version, makes it easier, or you can do cubes, like sugar cubes, sugar packets, and muddle them in together. Some people like that much better because they say that the texture is good. I think it's good either way. It's basically personal preference. You're going to need bourbon or whiskey. Like I said, I got New RIFF single barrel. Very excited to try it out. We cracked it open earlier, and oh my goodness, it smelled so good. You're going to need some Luxardo cherries. They don't have to be Luxardo. You can do just regular maraschino cherries. But I like to do Luxardo because they're top notch. I got orange slices. I like to do mine with orange slices. I think it adds a little bit more flavor to it. A lot of other people don't do orange slices. But like I said, personal preference. That's why old fashions are great. So much customization with it. So let's go ahead and get started with it. You're gonna need your glass. I like to put orange slice in first. Save those for later. And then get your, that made me nervous. Get yourself some Luxardo cherries. I like to put at least 2 in because they're so good. Maybe even 3. This bartender likes you guys. And then we're gonna add some simple syrup. I like to do an ounce of simple syrup. Makes it drink a little more volume with it. Yummy sugar water. Next thing you're gonna need your bitters. Throw a little down with that. I like to do, because it's not really pouring out too much, I like to do about 3 dashes of bitters in it. It's nice and good. And then, your last ingredient is gonna be your bourbon or whiskey. Just because it's a sipper drink, and you're gonna do a lot of bourbon or whiskey in it, mine, I'm gonna put 3 ounces in. Because, I like me some bourbon. Typically, you'll do about 2 ounces. But I'm a dragon and I do what I want. Cool. Then, last part of it, and this is where all the flavors come together. You're gonna need your muddler. Don't fall over again. I swear it falls over every time. So you're gonna need your muddler. And don't crush too hard. You only want to do it just a little bit. Little bit of muddling is going to get the flavors going together and blends it all really nicely. Get out of here, muddler! And then we're going to throw a little ball of ice in there. Boop. There you go. Lovely. So good. Heather's intimidated by my aggressive attitude right now. I'm making an old-fashioned. Old-fashioned's my stop. It's so good. And just, you know, to make it feel a little fancy here. Yeah, baby. Get that orange slice on the side. And there you go. That's your old-fashioned, baby. It's so good.
OMG, can I try it?
No, it's mine. This one's mine. You don't get one.
Oh, okay.
You can have a little sip, though. It's fine. You can have a tiny sip. Well, I better get it back, because that's my drink.
That's fine. I'll take a sip.
It's my favorite. It's real strong, isn't it? It's strong. Yeah, it is.
The peach is good.
Yeah.
I like that. It is very strong, though.
It's a drink for a dragon.
Yeah, it is a drink for a dragon.
It's so good. Dragons out there, I recommend this to you. But there's a stipulation behind it. And that stipulation is you gotta be a legal agent wherever you reside. You gotta drink responsibly. And you gotta make sure to have a good time with your friends. Because, you know, it's a good drink. It's a good sipper drink. You don't chug this one down. You just take a little nice sip. A little sip. You know, just little touch the lips, kiss the lips, little sip. Little sip. I like this drink. It's good. But anyways, that's an old-fashioned, everyone. You're gonna need your bitters. You're gonna need your whiskey or bourbon. You're gonna need your simple syrup or sugar cubes. Luxardo cherries. Oh, they're right here. We're gonna redo that. We're gonna redo all of that. You're gonna need bitters, your bourbon or whiskey, you got simple syrup or sugar cubes, maraschino liqueur. No. Oh, that just opened a whole new can of worms. You got your maraschino cherries or Luxardo cherries, and then optionally some oranges in there. But like we always say here, help someone smile today. Make sure to drink responsibly. Have a good time because this is such a good drink. Oh man, I bet that threw you off a bit. I didn't go with that order that you usually go for.
No, I don't. I mean, it's your show. You can do what you want.
It's my drink, my show, and my time.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's go.
Okay,
I'm
why
taking.
are you bringing that?
This is my drink.
Oh, I see what you did. You just got rid of some so you could. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. But I'm here to share it with everyone. You only get a little sample though, the rest is mine. That's your sample.
Yeah, the drink is the sample. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Help someone smile today, back!